A curious city wakes to a sneeze that rattles a grand staircase and rattles its very plans as the royal clock chimes in comic alarm. A pompous advisor declares the sneeze divine will, while a jittery herald theatrically announces the government will delay taxes to appease the wind. Citizens don extravagant costumes to honor the gusts, turning the streets into a chorus of exaggerated bowing and wobbling hats. The sneeze becomes a chain reaction, tossing parchment, pigeons, and pastries into the air as officials chase the chaos in orchestrated chaos. In the end, the ruler concedes that perhaps modesty beats superstition, at least for one perfectly timed sneeze.